Let's talk about the cost of the Enphase battery. What does it exactly cost at PSC and what's included in my installation? Well, when you're retrofitting an Enphase battery to your Enphase system, you're looking at about $11,000, including GST, parts and labor for one battery. The good news is that with scale and the more batteries you install, the dramatically better the value for money gets. If you were to add on a second or third battery, you'd only be looking for an extra $6,000 or so per battery. The reason for this is because you've already purchased the Enphase controller. This is the brains of the system. You're also already paying for us to be on site. Now, the other scenario where we install batteries is of course when we're installing solar and batteries together. The value for money for clients is far better to do Enphase solar and battery together. The reason for this is because some of the controlling components that we use in an Enphase solar system, such as an envoy and relays, have now been replaced by this Enphase controller. So instead of doing both separately, we can now do it all in the one controller. It saves parts and it certainly saves labor. For a system and battery together, you would expect your solar supplier to give you what we'd call a bundle discount or just a better price to buy it all and get it all installed on the same day. That is, of course, if your house permits us to install the solar on the same day. You'll need to get a site-specific quote to see if that suits you. Maybe you've seen some pricing on an Enphase battery and you might be thinking, why does the cost of an Enphase battery vary from installer to installer? Well, there are two things to take into consideration here. Firstly, the company that's installing the battery, and that is arguably the most important part of your installation. Are they using paid by the battery subcontractors, or are they using their own in-house, highly trained electricians to install your product? Are they getting paid hourly, where they're actually incentivized to take more time and not take shortcuts? Or are they going to have to make some tricky decisions on site, maybe slap some external conduit up, get it done, commission it, and walk away and on to the next? In-house installers will certainly add cost to your Enphase battery installation. The other factor of Enphase battery installations that will adjust the cost is the price that the solar company can buy the battery for. If you're a company like us who only uses Enphase microinverters and installs so many Enphase batteries, you can rest assured that we'd be buying the Enphase battery for the best price possible. If you're dealing with a company who maybe only does them every now and then and dabbles in string inverters and whatever else they feel like it on the day, they may not be able to buy the product for as good as what we can, which of course we pass on to you. I hope this video has been informative, and if you're looking for more information on the Enphase battery, check out all our articles around Enphase batteries, installation quality and techniques. And thank you for watching. I'm Jake from the Penrith Solar Centre. We'll see you on the next one.